เจ้าลิงทะเลทราย
ต่อไปเถอะ
You understand? If somebody asks you, the camel is the king of the desert. Yes, camel. Okay, camel.
คาเมล
You have to know this one. Inhale, come up, camel. Ant. You know ant pose. Everybody.
ทำด้วย
In camel pose, which muscle we have to use more?
ใช้มัสโซส่วนไหนมากที่สุด
ก้นต้นขาต้นขาใช่
Everybody says thigh.
Thigh.
Actually, no thigh.
Thigh.
Thigh come after.
ใช่
Do you see camel? Do you really see camel? You know, I learned this posture 4 years ago. Very intensive. I went with my wife, my son to one place in India, desert.
อืม
ออกไปทะเลทรายในอิน
Okay,
เดีย
desert. My wife watched a drama, TV.
ดูละคร
Some woman nice desert dress and clear ride on the camel.
เป็นความฝันของผู้หญิงเลยใส่ชุด
So
ขี่
me, my wife, and my son walking. My wife see the camel. She said, "Oh, I want to ride on the camel. Let's go." I said, "I cannot. I not like ride on the animal."
อ๋อ
I said, I respect. She said, I want. The woman, you know, she see the drama and imagination. So she rent some dress.
นั่นดิ
She ride on the camel. A camel is very big. Yes. See here. How to climb on the camel. So very interesting. I was here. The man have a camel.
อ่า
We had to sit down. So I said, brother, please, my wife and my son want to sit down to make the camel down. And how camel sit down? And I was looking. Camel,
ตอนที่มัน
how sit down?
มันลงเข่าแล้ว
No cow?
งอเข่า
What she used? He used nakhen,
อืม
not the thigh.
อ่า
ใช้หน้าแข้งใช้หน้าแข้ง
อ๋อ
Hip,
สามารถขึ้น
back, camel like this.
อ่า
Oh, very interesting thing. I see the shin bone, nakhen. And when my wife sit down, my son sit down, and camel use the shin bone to
อืม
come up and move leg forward.
นี่
Yes, and then come up. So camel pose, kapotasana, back bending, everything comes from the shin bone and the ankle, this part. Because this is the root. You see?
อืม
You understand? This is the root. That's why in yoga we do Vajrasana
อืม
and Virasana, hero pose.
อืม
Why? Activate the nakhen and the
นักแข่ง
ankle.
อืม
You understand? Yes, thigh muscle important, but the root, the base is here, nakhen and ankle. You understand?
นี้โอเค
หัดขึ้นนัก
Yes.
แข่ง
It's same like a pincha mayurasana. Pincha. What is the most important? The pincha. Forearm. Up, not upper arm. Yes or no? Shin bone. Not the thigh. You understand? So this is the same thing. Pincha and the ut is lower arm, lower body, lower. Understand? Clear? Everybody come up. Now, when you are here, watch your nakhen touching to the floor or no? No. Your leg is strong or no? No strong. Leg not strong. So what to do? Nakhen belong to
หน้าแข้งมีลองทุกฮิ้ว
belong to ankle. Calf muscle belong to heel.
โอเคโอเค
Nakhen belong to ankle. So you like this. Look here. Right leg up. Nakhen towards the ankle. Focus. This pull back. Pull back, and down. Now see your right leg, left leg. Different or not? Understand? Now left leg up. Nakhen towards the ankle. Understand? Understand? Clear? Shoulder back and down. Hands in the top of the head. Now pubic up, tailbone down. Now outer body. This is outer body. Outer thigh. Forward.
อืม
Remember? Tailbone down, outer thigh forward.
อืม
Tailbone down, outer thigh forward. Chair pose. Outer thigh up. Outer thigh up. So chest open. Outer thigh up. Tailbone down. Go back. Outer thigh up. outer thigh up, tailbone down, go back, outer thigh up, outer thigh forward, tailbone down, tailbone down, tailbone down. Yeah, tailbone, go back, go back, go back, go back, wait. Feel here? Yes. Feel? Tailbone down, outer thigh forward, outer thigh forward, outer thigh forward, then lean back only. Tailbone down, outer thigh forward, and go back. Outer thigh forward, outer thigh roll in, 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 go back and hand forward, roll in, roll in, roll in, and hand forward. Tailbone down, outer thigh, inhale. See here, all body, feel or not? Feel? Why is not coming? Because I told you, every back bending we have to use the outer body. Outer body, outer body, outer body. This is outer body. Understand? Outer body, not inner body. Outer body, outer body. What is the outer body you have? I told you 2-3 days ago.
Outer body,
Leg and arm. This is outer. House outer. Pillar. Pillar is strong. Outer body is strong. Inside beauty. Beauty. Yes or no? So is outer body strong? Inner beauty come. Organ become
โครง
healthy.
สร้าง
Longer.
แข็งแรง
And come up again. Shoulder back. Press the shin bone down. Sometimes you like that. Understand? Tailbone down, pubic up. Understand? Now, weight leg. Take on. Which knee is touching to the floor? Which knee? Inner knee or outer knee? Just wait. Where is the pressure go? Which knee? Which knee? Knee. Inner or outer?
Inner or outer?
อินหรือ out
Inner.
Inner. Yes? This is wrong. Everybody on the inner knee. See, if you stand here, everybody on the inner knee. This is inside. But in camel pose, we have to more on the outer knee. Can you press the outer? Outer. Press outer body. Outer. Outer knee, outer neck hang down.
ข้างนอก
Understand? Now feel your leg. Strong or no? Outer knee down, outer neck hang down. Feel your inner thigh strong or no? Leg
ข้างนอ
strong.
กเองข้างนอกข้างในต้องเห็นข้างใน
You see where leg strong, lower body strong. Back bending, lower body. Shoulder back, open chest, hands on the. Now tailbone down, tailbone down. Outer thigh forward. Tailbone down, outer thigh forward. Outer thigh forward. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Hands back on the heel, shoulder back, and now push the chest up. Chest up. Outer thigh forward. Outer thigh forward. Chest up. Chest up. Chest up. Chest up. Outer thigh up. Outer thigh up. Outer thigh forward. 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 Outer thigh. Chest more up. Shoulder blade in. Shoulder blade in. More up. 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 More. Chest more up. Outer thigh forward. Sister. Outer thigh more forward. Please more forward. Inhale. Come up. Come up.
ไม่เคยทำอู่แล้วนี่
This is the way to going to outer thigh leg strong. Understand?
ขา
Everything outer body. Everything outer body. Outer body. Outer body. Back bending is outer body. See, baby, when the new baby born and mother want to go cooking in the kitchen, what mother do for baby? Mother want to go to the kitchen for cooking, and she having small baby. She want to leave the baby on the bed. She go to the kitchen cooking. So what she do when before going to the kitchen? Everybody know this? This is a very basic thing. Yeah.
เอาลูกมาเอาลูกมาวาง
This is baby. Okay. This is dad. Mother want to do kitchen. So what she do? She put the pillow here.
หาเนี่ยมันล็อกกันไว้
โอ้ยนี่คือคำตอบ
One put the pillow here. You know why?
ให้เรา
Baby not fall down. Protection. This is called outer body. Baby is sensitive. It's very organ. Baby is sensitive, not strong. You understand?
Yes.
This is pillow. Outer body strong. Inside is baby. You understand? Organ. That understand. That's the science. Yes or no? I'm right or no? You understand? This is it. So always when you do back bending, never compress the organ. Organ lifting using the outer body muscle. Pain on the muscle. pain on the muscle, but not pain on the organ. Understand? Again. So. Here. Again, buttock not up. Okay, sister? So, put up here. Now, press the outer knee. Look belly. See what happened my belly? Go forward. You say forward because I'm my inner knee. Now, look belly. I press the outer knee. You see? Different? Now, press the inner knee. You understand? Mostly when you stand here, the body will always go to the inner side of the leg, inner leg. This is inner leg. Don't use the inner leg, always outer. So in back bending, you have to engage the core muscle. Look here. Now what happened? Belly go forward like a balloon. Like a yes or no? Now look here. See different? So I press my outer knee. Outer shin bone. Pressing here pain. So it's my resting here. Can you this line? So when you do back bend, this has to be maintained. Udyan Bandha even in the back bend here. Understand? And now I relax. If I push, I feel the pressure here. This is not good. So we have to use the outer thigh. Look. Can you see? I use my outer thigh. Different? Different. I am my lumbar. See? Now I use my outer thigh. See here. I push this forward. Can you see? Strong, strong. Here, and see? And now, chest up, hip, more up. Push this more chest up. Outer thigh up. Have to come here. One more thing here. Arm section. Arm. You don't know how to open this armpit. Back bending from which body? Which part of the chest? Back bending. Which part of the chest? Which part of the chest in back bending we have to work? Outside in the inner armpit here. Remember? This forward and up. This is up. Just not this. Yeah. And now look here. I will try now. Camel. Who is camel? What is camel? Camel is?
King of the desert.
King of the desert. Tailbone down, shoulder back, open chest. Every back bend here. Tailbone down, chest open. No compress. No, not like pushing here. Tailbone down. Lean back. Shoulder back. Now push the outer thigh. Chest up. Chest forward. Chest forward. Chest forward, chest forward, chest forward. Now, upper arm. Look upper arm. This one, look here. This one. Never come up. This one move backward. Now, when you are here, who's here? Now look. This armpit show open. So this is like back. This upper arm not go forward. Upper arm has to move back. You understand? Inner upper arm back, armpit chest forward, outer hip forward, it will go forward. Come on, again. Sister, you take both steps. Some people do like the beginner. Look here, beginner like this. Beginner. Don't touch the hip. Take here. Important is outer hip. Oh, like this. See different. One more, last time. My body, you can understand. You know, falling and rising. Okay, two things, falling, rising. Look my body in the camel. Two things, falling and rising. What is this?
No.
This is falling. See, my body is falling down. So important not here, important is heel. Shoulder back, upper arm back. Outer thigh, out. More out of three. Like imagine, lift this brick up. I cannot talk. Word not coming because muscle. Can you see my voice also heavy? That's called back bending means make you more silence. Back bending always make silence, not scream. Silent. Come on, try.